Hi everyone, this is ryce.jiyoon. Welcome to my channel. I am going to share with you how to cook soft, fluffy, and evenly sized pancakes. I often make pancakes for breakfast. I paired it with bacon, hot dogs, or whatever you prefer with it. Before I make my own pancake mixture, but it turns out that it is the same with the one you buy in the groceries. So from then on, I just buy ready mixed pancake flour. The ingredients that we have here are 1 egg, 2 tablespoons oil, 3/4 cup of water, and we have the pancake flour. Just pour in the ingredients one by one and mix everything until the batter is without lumps. The consistency should not be too watery, it should be a little bit sticky. So, like so. The pan that I'm going to use is the one I used to cook with eggs. This is a non-stick pan. Just a drizzle of oil or just wipe the pan with oil before heating. Once heated, take a cup of the pancake batter and pour it in the pan. Make sure it is distributed evenly. Then cover. So as you can see, the batter is cooking. When the batter on top is not wet, it is time to turn it over to cook the other side. So it's still wet. Okay. Let's try to take a look. Okay. Now it's time to turn it over. top the pancake with butter and maple syrup. You can also top it with fruits for a healthier breakfast.